Hey there, you're welcome to another tutorial on De-essing. I'm Sir Classy and I'll be showing you two simple steps you can take to make your vocals to sound more smooth and less harsh. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, so here's our vocal, right? I'm going to play so you listen. This is the vocal. There's barely any effect running through, just tuning effect, right? So let's hear how it sounds.
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away. Run away, run away.
You can see how harsh the vocal sounds, right? In the high end to the high mid frequency, it sounds a bit harsh and coarse, right? Now I want to make this vocal sound smooth, right, and less harsh. So one of the first things we're going to do is using EQ, good old EQ. Yes, we are simply going to use stock EQ, nothing fancy, parametric EQ2, and we're going to see how to use the EQ to control the harshness and make it sound even more smooth. And also let you know that I do offer one-on-one coaching lessons, right? If you need help with making much better music and you want to achieve your music making goals, the quality you want in no time, right? Just hit the link in the description below that says one-on-one lesson and fill out a very simple form and I'll get back to you pronto. All right, let's make better music, man. This is 2022. You should be making much better music than you are making right now. Anyway, let's get back to the tutorial. So now we have our EQ, right? And we're going to do the good old EQ thing, like, which is taking out the low end muddy frequencies and taking out some nasal frequencies, right? And let's start with,
Even if you know if you cook, I no go.
so for the to take out the muddy frequencies, right, just come to type, want a high pass EQ, then steep, right? Want to be very steep, and we just EQ everything up until, let's say, 100 or 90 hertz, depends on the vocal type, right?
Even if you know if you cook.
This can always change a bit more, depend on what we're trying to get, but let's keep it at, let's say, 90 for now.
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away.
And now this is where the real meat is going to come in, the nasal frequencies, right? Nasal frequencies is more than just boosting the notch up here and finding resonance and taking them out. Now we notice there's some harsh frequencies in here, so we're going to focus more on the high end or the high end to the high mid frequencies, right, to try and get those unwanted frequencies out. Okay,
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if you know if you cook, I no go
yes,
run away.
perfect, we found it.
Run away, run away.
Let's shift it a bit more
Even if your belly fat, I no go run away.
so you can hear that.
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away.
That is the resonance we want to take out, so we're going to take it out, right?
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run.
Then we're going to come here and do something similar, find the same thing.
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away.
Yes, that's it again. We want to take that out as well. Going to,
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away.
now we can focus on the mid and the low mid, right, to take out the resonance.
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away.
Then we'll take that down as well. So you need to really listen into the EQ to know where these resonance are really predominant so you can take them out. Okay,
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away.
most times 3 notches like this is okay, but let's just see if we can go for a third, a fourth, right?
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away.
Now it sounds a lot smoother, right? Let me turn it off so we'll compare. This is, I'm going to play it now turned off.
Even if you know if you cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away. Run away, run away.
So I'm going to play it now turned on.
Even if you know fi cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away. Run away, run away.
You can see how much smoother this is sounding already with just using the right EQ. And we can do a little bit of damp here in the high end.
Even if you know fi cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away.
And now the second thing we're going to use is a de-esser, okay? So I really prefer to use de-esser because it's the most accurate de-esser. I prefer it to Waves, I prefer it to any other de-esser I've used, right? Unfortunately, FL Studio does not have a main de-esser plugin, right? But if you can lay your hands on Isotope's RX plugins, right? The de-essers are really good, right? So now this DSR is really easy to use. So this is where the frequency, like this is at 2500 hertz or 2.5 kilohertz, right? So this is where it's going to assume the sibilance range is and starts working on any frequency higher than it, okay? And this is where the threshold is. So if I want it to be really aggressive, I can take it all the way down, and if I want it to be less aggressive, I can take it all the way up here, right? So it's kind of like just to taste and how much sibilance I want and how less sibilance I want, all right? And then you can listen to the output itself if you want to, right? And then you can also determine how fast there's the attack can release, right? If you want a fast attack or a slow attack, right? Then we're going to listen.
Even if you know fi cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away.
So let's listen to where the DSI is really going to work. I'm going to turn it off, right? Let's turn it off and then we listen.
So if I holla holla,
So you can hear that's
so if I holla holla,
so I want to take care of that. When I turn it on, this is how it sounds.
so if I holla, so if I holla holla,
You can see how much compressed and how controlled the S or the sibilance is there.
so if I holla holla, shebi you go come. I no go para, you my number one.
So when I play from the top, this is how it sounds.
Even if you know fi cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away. Run away, run away. So if I holla holla, shebi you go come.
And you can see how much smoother the vocal sounds. And when I turn off the effects, right? Turn it off.
Even if you know fi cook, I no go run away. Run away, run away. Even if your belly fat, I no go run away. Run away, run away. So if I holla holla,
You can see how harsh it sounds without the simple EQ and the simple de-essing trick I used, right? So using this can make your vocal sound really smooth and ready to go, all right? So these are simple things you can do to make your vocal sound really, really smooth. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful so that people also can find this video and make much better music as well. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can keep up with my tutorials that I upload here frequently. See you soon. Cheers.